In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your workflow in N8N. Upgrading your workflow in N8N is really about giving your automations more room to grow, more executions, better performance, and features that support your team as your processes get more complex. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface so you can move to the plan that fits your needs without any guesswork. Start by opening your N8N workspace in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you land on the Home or Workflows page. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. You'll usually see the workspace name near the top or in the sidebar. Upgrading applies to the workspace you're currently viewing, so it's worth double-checking before you continue. Next, look to the left-hand menu and find the Admin panel. It typically sits alongside items like workflows and credentials and is available to users with the right permissions. If you don't see the Admin panel, you may not have admin access for this workspace, so you'll need to ask the owner or an administrator to complete the upgrade. When you open the Admin panel, you'll see the area where workspace settings, billing, and plan details are managed. Inside the Admin panel, locate the option labeled Upgrade Plan and click it. This takes you to a clear overview of the available plans and what each one includes. Here's where it pays to pause and review the details. Look at the monthly execution limits, concurrency or capacity increases, priority or support options, and any features relevant to how you build things like higher reliability, collaboration capabilities, or governance controls. Think about your typical usage today and where you expect growth. If your automations are running more often or your team is expanding, a higher tier can prevent throttling and give you a smoother experience. If you work with larger data volumes or more complex workflows, consider plans that emphasize scale. As you compare, pay attention to the cost and the value of the features you'll actually use, and expand any plan details to see the fine print on limits and inclusions. Once you've chosen the plan that matches your needs, you're all set. Your workspace will be positioned to handle more automations with fewer constraints, and you'll have the features that align with your goals. That's the complete process. Open your N8N workspace, head to the Admin panel, and select Upgrade Plan to choose the tier that fits you best. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more capable workflow experience.